All right, today we're going to bring an outdoor lantern. And now this one has a sensor, a motion sensor, so it could turn on. The light bulb's included with it. If you guys can see, LED light. No, you're going to need three types of connection in the back. I'm going to show you. And this is also real glass. It's frost glass, right? So you can always remove it and replace it if you don't like the glass. But right now it looks beautiful as it is. Now on the back end, it's very simple to connect. There's only three cables you're going to connect. You're going to need the ground, the hot, and then the neutral. That's pretty much it. All right, one of the best things I like about the light, that it's a hidden little secret, is that it has power connections in the bottom here. If you guys can see, it has for two, and it has a reset power reset. All right, so it has a surge protector in case you trip it or something happens, because most of the times when you set these up outdoors, you could use them for jumpers and other stuff. So I like this, that you just plug it in here, ready to go. And then look at it, it's hidden. You will never knew it was there because it's a magnet. It has a magnet on the top, two magnets. If you guys can see, magnet and magnetize it together. So very hidden little secret on the actual sensor light. So now it does have a back end, which I already placed it against the wall right now, so we could actually start testing it out. So we're gonna set this up, and all you got to do is screw 4 screws on every side, every angle. If you guys get every side, so you can make sure it gets it. Now this is outdoor graded, just to make sure, and just make sure that this is facing forward, so any motion or anybody passes by, this thing will automatically turn on. So we're gonna test it out tonight. It's very simple to wire, right? Just make sure. Easiest way to connect cable stuff like that. All right, let's take a look at the light. I like the motion sensor. It turns off when nothing's motion. All right, we're gonna actually block it out, and then we're gonna unlock it so you guys can see how it works. So right now, because I'm really close by, I'm gonna try to see if I can cover it up and see if we can get the reaction on this thing. All right. All right, just to test it out, guys, I did cover the actual sensor because they won't turn off because I'm really close by. So we're gonna uncover it right now, and look at that, just came on automatically. So the sensor turns red, light comes on. Very simple. I like the glass, beautiful glass. You could use any LED that's 60 watts, right? So I like the whole setup. It was very simple to screw in 4 screws in the back, 2 or 3 in the mounts to the any kind of wood structure, or any, if you're going to put it in drywall, make sure you have a good backing for this. But very beautiful static light, gives me an ambience on your entrances or anywhere else. So really good looking. I hope you guys enjoy the video.